Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 16-inch MacBook Pro. You can see this is a 16-inch 2023 and the chip is the M2 Max and the RAM is 32 gigabyte and you can see the display is 16-inch, storage is 1 terabyte and you can see the cycle count 17 times and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics. Okay, this is the 38 cores, and you can see this is LL version. LL means this is the US version, and you can see the CPU cores, 12 cores, 8 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. Okay. This is you can see the beautiful keyboard. No scratches the keyboard, no oil leaching, no problem. You can see the speaker grills, also no scratches. The big trackpad, no problem. Let me change the wallpaper. Okay, you can see the beautiful screen. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. Display okay, no problem. And let me show you another color. The red color. Also the red color, no problem. Okay. And let me change the green color. You can see the green color, also no problem. Let me show the logo surface. Okay, the logo, no problem. The shining logo. And you can see the 2023 60-inch MacBook Pro M2 Max, 32 gigabyte and 1 terabyte. You can see no scratches. Let me show you the charging port. Okay, you can see the charging port, no problem, no scratches. And this edge, no dents, no scratches. And let me show you this corner, no problem. This edge, no problem. No problem. This corner also no problem. And okay, this part's also no problem. This edge, okay, that's 16-inch, very heavy. Here is a little bit scratch here. No problem. Okay, let me show you the back. Okay. Okay, the back, no scratches. You can see. Oh, here's a little dent. You can see a little here. And overall good condition. Only here you can see here a little dent. Here the little scratch, but not serious. Okay. Okay, this is the M2 Max 60-inch, 32 gigabyte and 1 terabyte. Let me show you the specification. Okay. 2023 60-inch M2 Max 32 gigabyte and 1 terabyte. And if you like this video, please give me a like and you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.